Be honest with me. Have you ever tried to fix your life and nothing changed? Same stress, same procrastination, same I'll start tomorrow loop. Here's the scary part. Most people don't fail because they're lazy. They fail because the habits that actually work feel useless at first. Artsenling Arserlope, the habits that save you don't look impressive. They look boring, quiet, almost stupid, but they work. Okay, let me show you. Sir tiny habits that feel pointless until one day your life starts working again. This sounds like fake motivation advice, I know, but hear me out. Most of us wake up and instantly scroll. Notifications, messages, other people's lives. Your brain starts the day reacting. This habit flips that. Before your phone, one physical reset, get desk, bag. It takes under Lickster seconds and it tells your brain, I'm in control today. It feels useless until you notice you start your days calmer. And calm is power, not a to-do list. Just one thing, because mornings are chaos, classes, deadlines, low energy. When you wake up without direction, you know, your brain panics. For Kang, this habit removes decision fatigue. You wake up knowing exactly where to start. No motivation needed, just movement. Tiny clarity beats big plans. 5 minutes sounds like a joke. That's the point. When you're burned out, your brain resists big goals. Study for 2 hours feels painful. So you avoid it. 5 minutes feels harmless, but here's the secret. Starting is the hardest part. Most days, 5 minutes turns into 20. And even if it doesn't, you still won. Progress without pressure. Not forever, not detox, just one task. We underestimate how distracting phones are, even face down, even silent. Your brain stays alert, waiting. This habit creates deep focus without discipline. One task, one block, no phone. It feels uncomfortable, then peaceful, then powerful. That's when work flows. This one feels especially pointless. No music. No podcast, no dopamine, just you and your thoughts. At first, it's boring, then awkward, then clarity hits. And your brain finally processes things, stress, decisions, emotions you've been avoiding. This habit quietly lowers anxiety. And clarity changes everything. I'm not saying quit your phone, be realistic, just don't end your day with it. The last thing you consume becomes your brain's background noise, drama, comparison, bad news. Instead, end with something boring. Or stretching, reading one page, flaunting tomorrow. It doesn't feel productive, but your sleep improves. And sleep fixes more than motivation ever will. Not everything, just one. Sleep hours, study time, steps, water. When life feels messy, tracking creates stability. You stop guessing how you're doing, and knowing leads to better decisions. Control starts with awareness, not your whole room. That's overwhelming. One drawer, one shelf, one corner. Mess creates mental noise. Even if you ignore it, this habit creates visible progress. And visible progress builds momentum. Your environment starts working with you, not against you. This one feels weird at first. Notice how you talk to yourself when you mess up. You're lazy. You always fail. Why are you like this? You'd never talk to a friend like that. So stop doing it to yourself. Change the language. I messed up today, but I'm learning. This habit rebuilds confidence quietly, and confidence fuels consistency. No posting, no sharing, no proving, just for you, studying, walking, learning, resting, in, artsenling Archerloop. Everything feels performative. Even self-improvement. This habit brings your life back offline and peace lives there. None of these habits will change your life overnight. That's why most people quit them. They don't give instant dopamine. They don't look impressive. They don't make good posts. But they rebuild your foundation slowly, quietly, permanently. One day you wake up and realize you're calmer, more focused, less overwhelmed, not because you worked harder, but because your life finally supports you. Don't try all 10. Pick one, just one, try it tonight or tomorrow morning. Small habits don't feel powerful until they are. If this helped you even a little, share it with someone who's stuck too. We're not behind. We're rebuilding. Let's level up together.